Today's lesson is all about exploring your 3D scene with an incredibly useful feature called the editor camera. This tool gives you full freedom to move around your world and take a closer look at everything you've built. Let's start with our scene setup. We've got a simple cube, colored bright azure so it really stands out, sitting in the middle of the screen. It's scaled up a little to make it more noticeable, and for now, that's all we have. If we run the code at this point, we'll just see a nice big cube in a fixed position with a default camera view. Not bad, but kind of limited, right? Now here comes the fun part. By adding just one line, we enable the editor camera. With this camera, you're no longer stuck looking at your game from a single perspective. Instead, you can rotate around the cube, zoom in and out, and move the view freely using your mouse and keyboard. It feels like you're inside a mini 3D editor, super handy when testing or building your game. And that's it for today. We'll keep building on this and add even more features to bring our world to life. Keep experimenting, and I'll see you next time.